How to change Gmail in LinkedIn. First, open LinkedIn and log in using your email and password. Once you're on the home page, click on the Me icon at the top right corner. Now click on Settings and Privacy. Next, go to the Sign In and Security section. Under Account Access, click on Email Addresses. Here you'll see your current primary email address. To change it, first you need to add a new email, so click on Add Email Address. Now enter your new email address and your LinkedIn password, then click Submit. Your new email will be added as a secondary email. Next, open the inbox of your new email address. You'll receive a verification email from LinkedIn. Open that email and click on the verification link. After verifying, go back to LinkedIn, Settings and Privacy, Sign In and Security, Email Addresses. Now you'll see your new email is verified. Click on Make Primary, enter your password again, and confirm. That's it. Your new email is now your primary email address. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.